Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning, newly renovated 5 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home for sale. It is located in the desirable Christian Meadows community, Gregory Park. This spacious and modern residence offers comfort, style, and convenience. It is perfect for a growing family. Key features include spacious bedrooms. All bedrooms are generously sized, providing ample space for rest and relaxation. Enjoy the flexibility of having a cozy living room downstairs and an additional living space upstairs, perfect for family gatherings or entertaining guests. There is a dedicated study or home office space ideal for work or personal projects. It is also equipped with water heaters and plenty of space for your laundry needs. The large balcony is perfect for outdoor entertaining or simply enjoying the fresh air. This home is not only beautifully designed, but also ideally situated close to supermarkets and shopping centers, ensuring your daily needs are easily met. Make this dream home yours today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 34,990,000 or US $223,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.